My grandfather actually started the business in 1961, Forrest Anderson, and he passed it down to my father, and now I'm third generation. We have literally spent decades of figuring out how to treat customers right, what you need to do to be a good person, a good employee, a good leader. We actually have three main core values, and that is humility, service, and valuing others. Humility is important because no job is beneath you. Whether it is taking out the customer's trash when you're done repairing the sink, or taking in their garbage cans from the street if they're empty, helping the customer out any way you need to. We enjoy serving our employees, making sure that they have everything they need, and in turn, that helps to value our customers. You have to let them know that you appreciate that they are actually trusting you in their home, giving you money to do their work. It's important. You can trust the plumber or the HVAC technician that shows up on your door. We are good people. We will take care of you. We will always do what's right.